Question number 34, students, 10th CBSE sample paper. Section D, question says match the following pH values. You are given 1, 7, 10, 13 to the solutions which are given. Students, solutions are milk of magnesia, gastric juice, brine, aqueous sodium hydroxide. Students, if you are aware of the NCERT, you have seen that they have given a chart. Student, this is the pH starting from 0, 7 and 14. Student, this is our neutral solution, has pH. These are the pH values. Student, here the pH is increasing and basic nature increases. Basic nature increases, students. And here the pH is decreasing. This is 1. For example, this is 8, 9, and my this is my 10 student. This is my 13. Here, as you go on the left hand side, the acidic nature increases. Acidic nature increases. You are aware of this. If you don't, please read the NCERT book. You will see that. Now the question is, student, let us see one by one. Milk of magnesia. You know, student, milk of magnesia is nothing but magnesium hydroxide. This is magnesium hydroxide. Student, you know, you have seen the bottles of milk of magnesia. It is used as an antacid. Antacid. It is alkaline in nature. Student, milk of magnesia is alkaline in nature. You can see OH ions, and therefore, student, the milk of magnesia is a weak base. Is a weak base, and this has a pH of 10. Milk of magnesia. Where is milk of magnesia? The pH value is 10. Student, for milk of magnesia. This is our milk of magnesia. That is why it is used as antacid. If there is a large amount of acid which is produced in our body, you know, it causes irritation, students, and you have used milk of magnesia, which is magnesium hydroxide. Now the next is gastric juicy, student. This is my pH 1. In your stomach, student, hydrochloric acid is produced. I am saying hydrochloric acid. This is a strong acid, student. If acid is strong, the pH will be less, student. Therefore, this pH 1, as you can see, is the pH of our gastric juice, student. Gastric juice, this has a pH of 1 here, in the which is value is given. So this is a strong acid. It helps in the digestion of the food. It is produced because the food requires, the digestion of food requires strong acidic medium. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. The brine, what is a brine solution, student? Brine solution. This is nothing but aqueous NaCl solution. Aqueous sodium chloride is called brine solution. Please see the NCERT book. It is used for the manufacture of caustic soda, sodium hydroxide. This is neutral, almost neutral, student. Neutral means it will have a pH of 7. This pH of 7, student. So the brine solution has a pH of 7. This is our brine solution, student. Brine, which is a aqueous sodium chloride solution, neutral. Neutral. Now coming to aqueous sodium hydroxide. What is sodium hydroxide? Is a strong base, student. It is a strong base. Aqueous. It will have Na and OH minus. It is a strong base, student. And where are the strong bases? Here, pH 13, student. This will have pH of 13. So this is a strong base. Strong base. Therefore, students, my purpose is to not only give answer, but to give a complete explanation of each and every question. Anita and Rita decided to bake a cake and added baking soda. What is baking soda, student? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is the formula of the baking soda, student. This is our baking soda. Now, sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is the question? Explain with a balanced reaction the role of baking soda. Mention other use of baking soda. Balanced reaction. What type of balanced reaction is asking? He says Anita and Lydia decided to bake a cake, student, and it is used to make a cake batter. Cake batter. What do you do in the cake, student? In a cake, you will put in the batter sodium hydrogen carbonate and heat it. When you will heat it, what reaction will take place, student? Very clear. What reaction will take place if you have sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is my baking soda, student. You will heat it to make a cake, student. Then I have to balance this equation. You will get sodium carbonate, you will get water, and you will get carbon dioxide gas, student. This carbon dioxide gas is produced, student. What this carbon dioxide gas will do? This carbon dioxide gas which is produced, student, it will make your cake soft and spongy. The cake will become soft and spongy because of the carbon dioxide gas which will be produced when you make a cake, student. Therefore, it will make the cake, student. It will make the cake soft and spongy. This carbon dioxide gas, carbon dioxide will make the cake soft and spongy. Mention any other use of baking soda. What other uses are there? Uses of baking soda, students. You already know one, it is used for making baking powder. You know the baking powder, student, which you are using in the kitchen. In the kitchen, use baking soda for making crispy, crispy pakoras. You know, they become crispy and soft pakoda, student. You are using mainly in the kitchen, student. And student, it is also used as an antacid. Baking soda in the Eno salt also contains this sodium hydrogen carbonate because it is a weak base, student. If excess of acid is there, it will neutralize. Therefore, it can be used as antacid, student. Further, it can be used as soda acid fire extinguisher, student. Fire extinguisher. So these are the uses of the baking soda. Now the or choice is coming before us. It says four samples are there: A, B, C, and D. Students, you have four: A, B, C, and D. Okay. Change the color of pH paper or solution to give. You know that pH paper, NCERT book, you read it. There is a pH paper, and the color, according to the color, we can say that what is the pH of a given sample. The samples are A, B, C, D. Their pH was recorded as 7 to 10.5 and 6 respectively. Okay? Which of the sample has the highest amount of hydrogen ion concentration? You know, student, hydrogen ion concentration. He is talking of hydrogen ion concentration. Will be more, is more if pH is less. pH is less. If you want to see the formula, student, pH is minus log of H plus. So lower the pH, larger the hydrogen ion concentration. Which has the lowest pH? B. B has the pH equal to 2, lowest pH. If B has the lowest pH, then it has the highest hydrogen ion concentration. Hydrogen ion concentration is highest in sample B, student. Answer is B. Which of the sample has the highest hydrogen ion concentration? Our answer is B, student, because the pH is the lowest. If you want to calculate the value, it will come out to be, if I put pH equal to 2, student, minus log of H plus, and if I take the anti-log, the H plus concentration will come to be 10 minus 2. So this will be 10 minus 7. This will be 10 power minus 10.5, 10 power minus 6. So this will be the highest value in mole per liter. So the answer is B. Arrange the four sample in a decreasing order of their pH. Already this decreasing means first highest value, which is the highest pH, student. Here 10.5. 10.5 is my C sample, student. After the C, 10.5 is A, student. A is 7, and then D. D is 6, and then the last is B, student. This is the four samples arranged in the decreasing order of the pH. Further, student, Rahul found that plaster of Paris, which is stored in a container. Student, what is the formula of the plaster of Paris, student? CaSO4 half H2O. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. This is the plaster of Paris, student. ठीक है, which is stored in a container has become very hard and lost its binding nature. Student, hard. What is the reason? Because it absorbs water. Student, it absorbs, I am saying water, as you can see, and it will form then a hard substance which will be CaSO4 to H2O. It will form gypsum. Student, therefore plaster of Paris absorbs water and changes into gypsum. This is a hard solid. Hard solid, students. Okay, this is a chemical equation which he says you have to write down this equation. Student, this is the second part. Plaster of Paris, calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Give one, anyone use of plaster of Paris. Student, if you want to see the uses of plaster of Paris, you know that it is used for making toys. Students, plaster of Paris is used for making toys, and also it is used by the dentist. Student, dentist for making dental impressions. Dental impression, students, and it is also used for decorative materials for giving smooth surfaces. Decorative material, student, making smooth surfaces. Making smooth surface.